In today's video, I'm going to walk you through making this beautiful watercolor card using the dies that I received from BB Craft. The BB Craft information will be down below. Today's project, you're going to need the dies from BB Craft, which will be listed down below, cardstock, pattern paper, and stamps of your choice for both the sentiment and the flower. I actually purchased pre-cut and scored card bases from cutcardstock.com. I really like the quality. They're about 100, maybe 110 pounds, so they're very sturdy. And I've gone ahead and cut my layering pieces. This is the stitch circle die from BB Crafts, and then this is one of the lace type edge dies as well. For my stamping today, I'm using this very abstract flower. This came from, I'm not sure if it came from Polka Doodles. I'm pretty sure it's Polka Doodles. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp this onto my circle. Today I'm going to be watercoloring this little image. This is a set of watercolors from Prima. And I will be honest with you, they are not my favorite. They tend to feel and dry a little bit on the chalky side. I do understand that they are, mass produced and all that good stuff, but still, the quality is just not that great, but it'll be fine for this card.
For some mysterious reason, my feet was directed to you, my dear. I had wished I could stay away, rid my thoughts of you some way, but so far so bad. What can I say? You're the best that I had. No, I can help myself. And that a brand new world was in this stretch of road. Just keep the horizon in my sights. I had wished I could stay away, rid my thoughts of you some way, but so far so bad. What can I say? You're the best that I've had.
Okay, it's time to assemble our card. The first layering piece measures 5 3/8 by 4 1/4. This piece measures in at 5 1/4 by 4. This measures 2 1/2 by 5. This measures 2 1/4 by 5. And here we have that lacy circle die. And because this particular piece is watercolor paper, I'm just going to use some glue to put this into place. I use wood glue most of the time for my projects. This happens to be from Gorilla, mostly because the fibers in it will grip your paper a little bit better than just regular, like, hobby glue. It dries clear, so you don't have to worry about anything being not pleasant to look at. It should it ooze out. If it's wanting to curl up on you, you can take a heavy block or a punch or whatever and put that down for a little bit. Now my card is stamped and put together again. This is the finished card. Should you have any questions, please leave them down below. Please remember that this video was sponsored from the standpoint of I received the products for free. I will leave the information so that if you are interested in buying these products, you can do so by clicking the links in the description box. Have a great day, everyone. Stay happy. Be a blessing. Bye for now.